with the leading edge.
Yeah. It looks like it's got very slight bend in it.
Been waiting a long time for.
It's just curved up. Probably just to bring it into...
Yeah, just a contour in.
And this is the old steel one. The bottom halves of the leading edge are made of aluminium, and these are original. The top halves were made of steel, which caused a lot of dissimilar metal corrosion. The aluminium skins just crumbled away, so they made this new one out of aluminium. Simone was going to make these out of one piece of material but found it impossible and made them out of two. They are now being fitted to the Lancaster wingtips. For people who don't know who Simone is, I did a video of her working on the English wheel here at East Kirkby. The link is in the description section above.
Oh.
Good morning, sir.
Hey, alright.
Hey, you're progressing, kid.
Yeah, so we're just drilling these off and getting this contour to come in. It's pulling it in as it's going along, you know.
Yeah.
To get it all, because we had some like little delves in here, didn't we? You know.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah, because it was a little bit wavy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But as it's going up, say I've got up there. It's pulling it all in nicely at the minute.
Yeah.
So by the time we get up there, it should be. They should be like level with this, you know. Obviously, that's going to be trimmed off to the edge of the holes.
Yeah.
So yeah, touch wood, it should start coming nice. We've got it sort of like.
Yeah. Can you adjust that with you know, a hammer and a dolly?
If you need to hammer it, yeah, or you can adjust it in certain ways so you can like scuff, you know, like buff it up, all sorts of things.
I think it says half inch and the chamfer 3/16.
There's 3/16 chamfer on the end of that.
Yeah, on the edge of it.
Oh, and you had trouble with the welding at the bottom last week, Keith was saying.
Yeah, that's you'll be able to see more on Keith because I've got mine on.
Yeah.
It's what, 30 seconds?
Yeah,
I think this had split in a couple of places, so they had it re-welded there and along this seam, and we've got to take that out, you know, because that sits on that butt strap.
Yeah, you just got.
So I've had to, you know, just
take that off.
Yeah.
And the other side, what's it look like on the?
I said the other side.
Oh, you can't even tell there's two pieces there, can you?
No, so we've gone along.
Yeah.
Just cleaned it up there and just cleaned up there.
It looks like one piece, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. Yeah, because we thought Simone was going to make it one piece, but it was impossible, I think. The only way was to make it in two pieces.
See, those in the wartime, they'd have just stamped them out.
Yeah, plus that's steel, that one, so
yeah.
they're a bit easy, you know, that's, they're not going to crack as much.
No.
The form, you know, they'll obviously heat it up and, like you say, formed it in some way, haven't they? So. But yeah, it's just a case of, like I say, getting that one to look like that one now.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's been a change of plan on that, I think. I think we are putting 3/16 in there now.
Oh, are they?
On them, where we put the inserts.
Yeah, that's what it's actually said.
So we've had this skin in, all the holes, they're all drilled off inside, all them holes.
Which?
All these ones. They're off the old one. You see these? All these.
Yes, I can see them now, yeah.
Yeah, they're all off the old leading edge. That leading edge was in position, drilled them off, and now we're just transferring them transferring these through into the new leading edge, pinning it, and that's what clamps it, and it'll hopefully we'll have
a nice curve.
Yeah, we'll have a better contour, you know, where it was a bit wobbly, wasn't it?
Yeah.
A bit shaky.
Yeah, you can see how it's bellowing a little bit on the skins.
That's it, yeah. So it's just a case of like trapping them together, you know, moving them together, like I say, chasing it along.
Yeah, the skin is so thin, isn't it?
Yeah, this is that very thin stuff, this. And as we go, we'll just chase it right up to the top, and that should come out at the top, you know.
Yeah.
It'll move it out. That'll obviously go in there, and there'll be a case of hole fanding all the way up, you know, just popping a hole fander in, spotted them.
Yeah. Will you be able to get an old finder in then?
I hope so, yeah. It should be no problem from there upwards. A little bit tight round there.
Yeah.
But it's a case of having to, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're going to have to.
Will you solid rivet this side and then just
yeah, this side will be solids.
this side solids and then just blind rivets the other side.
Yeah. So we've had a change of plan on those where we put the inserts. It's only about 16 rivets from about there to there.
Yeah.
We've had a change of plan and we're going to put countersink 3/16 in there.
Yeah.
There was a worry that it was going to
tear the sheet.
They'd be too severe and they'd tear this sheet, but
it shows it on the drawing.
It shows it on the drawing, so we're trying to stick to as close to drawing as possible, you know, because that's.
Well, then you haven't got any alterations to do with the CAA, have
that's
you?
That's how you get your airworthiness and whatever.
Yeah. So. Provided you don't do any alterations, you're okay.
Yeah. Hopefully this week we should have it drilled off.
Yeah.
And drilled off, shaped, sent off to paint.
Yeah.
Bang it on permanent next week.
Yeah. It's really a good finish there, isn't it?
Yeah. I think
there's been a weld.
And then that's the weld. You can just sort of see, if you look really carefully, you can see there's a little bit of weld there.
Yeah. Depends which you get the light on it.
Yeah, there was a little bit there.
Yeah.
But I say we're going to buff that up. That'll, because that's got a chamfer on it there and a chamfer on it there.
Will that go in there?
Yeah.
Oh, it has, hasn't it?
Yeah. We'll just probably put a bead of sealant across there, you know, just to just to smooth it out. You know.
Yeah. Will this corner get grip? Cause it's quite strong, that is, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, that'll get trimmed. Once you've got the holes in there, that should be around the same length of the side. It'll be a little bit bigger, I think, because the holes are. That's where the holes came out.
Yeah. Will you be able to bend that by hand, or won't you just let it pull too? Will you?
Well, so there's a couple of holes to go in there. When they go in, they'll pull it right down. And then, but we'll be chopping it off. So far, we'll be chopping it about, I'll say, half an inch off that anyway.
Yeah.
So
it's got to be trimmed. That actually, it's not the finished trim then.
No, it's got to be trimmed yet.
Yeah.
But like Keith just said there, there's a. I think there's a half inch from the hole to the end.
Yeah.
And it wants bending over as well, so that it's got to be formed to the skin, you know, at the end.
Yeah.
So you've got a chamfer on it as well, so you'll probably have a chamfer like that. And,
it has, isn't it? Yes, I didn't realise.
Yeah, so it'll be chamfered at the end, and also like crimped in a bit, you know.
Yeah.
To grip.
So it will grip the.
To the contour of the skin, basically.
Yeah. Oh, your dad watches it, does he?
Oh yeah, he usually sends. He said there's a new video, and he usually sends it. He knows before me. I mean. I don't know if you saw it pop then. Did you see it pop?
No.
Still trouble with that one. You see where it's just the slight delve in it there. I don't know if you,
that's right, yeah. Got that.
But drill that one hole through there. Pop that in. Here we go then.
Yeah, I saw it pop.
Yeah, you just saw it pop then, and that. You see, it's bringing it all up.
Yeah.
It's bringing it into the skin, yeah. So.
Pulled it in, didn't it?
Yeah, so that should pull in all the way around. That should start bringing it round now. And that'll get us should get us a decent contour, you know, right round. And take away these little delves that are in it. To chase them right out, right up to the top. And take it away, yeah. So.
I'm going to go up that side now.
I'm going right up this side now, yeah. Another bit done.
Yeah, it's good.